Hey, we're going to talk a little bit about weather maps today. This is just a review of some of the things that we have used uh, or that we have talked about to help scientists predict weather. We've talked about air masses, global winds, jet streams, high and low pressure systems, fronts, and the computer models like radar and satellite. Now, this video that you will need to watch actually shows how they create weather maps and make predictions. In the video, you learn that the lines that are connected on the weather maps, like this, are actually pressure system lines, and they're called isobars. And all of these areas will have the same pressure as 1016. And we're talking about high and low pressure. So if we look, the numbers from the outside, 1016, 1020, they're getting higher as you go to the center. So that would be a high pressure. Here we look at this system, and we have 1008, 1004, 1000, 996. So those numbers are getting lower. So that is a low pressure. We also learned in the video that the closer the isobars are together, the greater the wind. So this would be weak winds because there's not anything really near it. And these would be strong winds because these two isobars are near each other. Okay. And next, we're going to move on to fronts. We now have our isobars. We also have our fronts listed, high and low pressure systems. We talked about these types of fronts last week. A warm front has this symbol. It's red. It looks like half moons on a red that are red on a red line. Cold front has like little pendants, little blue pendants hanging. Okay. Stationary front alternates red and blue. Notice that one is on one side of the line, one is on the other side of the line, which means that it's stationary and not moving. We talked about that in class. And then we have an occluded front. We have two cold fronts with the warm front in the center. And the fronts are moving in the direction of the symbols. Okay, this question asks which way the warm front is moving. First of all, we have to determine which one is the warm front. We learned that the warm front has the half moons. They're all on the same side. The cold front has the little spikes or pendants. Okay, so this warm front is located in the northeast. We know it's moving this way, so it would be moving southeast. And I'm not going through all these questions. I'll let you go through those and continue practicing that concept. What I would like for you to do after you practice, I would like for you to do the review, do the try it, the review it, and the test it. And then tomorrow we will begin working on severe weather. And severe weather, you've studied since kindergarten basically. And so we're going to just go through that rather quickly. We're going to do the study guide with it. I think instead of doing a Google Doc, I'll do slides and then just put in text boxes for you to create your answers. I think that might be easier than the Google Doc, and it'll be something different. Okay, have a good day.